Yeah, why don't we do that?
Okay. Through great inspiration through the office, we are moving Erica's desk from here into the bathroom. This is everybody involved. Haha.
Okay, this you guys see anyways. Okay. Oh, Jesus, how heavy are these things?
Apparently heavy.
Really heavy. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna move stuff.
This thing moved. That's what I thought.
I didn't think it moved.
Hold on.
Okay, screw down. It's not supposed to.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, we'll be fine. Okay, we'll be fine. Oh, okay. Okay. No, Jackie. Okay, no. Very carefully. You got this.
Pivot.
Okay, someone needs to crawl over.
Oh, I won.
Pivot.
No.
Okay.
We have to hurry up though. I don't know how long it's
I'm in tail last minute. Okay.
Oh, and then she'll be with her parents.
Okay.
Oh, good. Well, we've got plenty of time.
Move the rug.
There's a rug.
Is that going to be too wide?
No.
What? Do you think we'll be able to shut the door?
No.
We're not going to be able to get to the bathroom.
One handle.
The handle for the... Oh, damn it. The handle on this thing is stuck in the...
Push it up.
Really?
Hold on.
You gotta come out
We can
first.
flip the desk. If we can flip the desk around that way, we can. I wonder if we can.
Okay, okay, we got it in the bathtub.
Ah, there.
Woo! Woo! These people help?
Yeah.
Woo! And now we're putting stuff back on it.
Yes.
Flush in it.
Yeah, there you
Put
go.
the drawers.
There you go.
Woohoo!
And don't forget her crack.
Oh, yeah, her crack.
Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we did that.
Oh, we did. I think it's awesome.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'll put the
Okay.
Office DVD on top, the case.
Oh,
the season
yeah.
2 on it.
Oh man.
What the hell does she call these books? Bull. Never.
We don't believe you.
Lies. You don't read.
Like, what about these? Oh, oops. She didn't mean to film, but okay, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just start filming. Okay.
Oh!
So here we go.
What has she done?
Here's what's left. Here's the note.
From Bertha.
Where's my desk? Waha.
Can't see. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Whatever.
And then we have Bertha, of course.
Of course.
It's all her fault, not ours. Your fault. Da, 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 da. Okay. And then she's like, whoa, where's my desk? And then...
Okay.
Oh, here's Vader.
Oh,
I'm filming again.
On video?
Yep.
Oh, hi.
And then she's like, whoa, here it is. I can't back up and
That's pretty sweet stuff.
here we go. Awesome. Woo. We got our office calendar hung up over here. Go.
That's freaking awesome.
Peace out.
That's awesome.
We'll have a reaction video coming soon. Alright.
Okay. What are you holding, Bree? Hide from me. So promiscuous.
Oh no.
She's gonna take a group picture of us on the couch.
Yeah. Hello. Don't be so suspicious.
I'm Bertha. And what are you gonna take a picture of?
No, seriously.
You guys are funny. Where the hell
Yeah.
No, it's your desk, Erica.
It is.
You lost it.
Still a funny episode?
No, that episode sucks.
Yeah, we need to get a picture.
Do not move it until we get a picture by
Erica, that
way.
was a bitch